Yeah, my name is Ephraim Bata Reyes. They call me the magician. Oh, the difference of the Okumura and the other pool player here in Japan, when Okumura, I saw him before the first time I come here 1979. And I thought, Kakuto is the best player here in Japan. But when I saw Okumura, he know a lot of techniques about pool, to break and then concentrate. Before he's shooting the ball, he's thinking too many times. He was take care of a duty. He's not reckless to play. He just concentrate first before he's shooting the ball. Hello, Okumura. I know you always beat me a long time ago. I don't know this time because you quit to play pool. So I want to see how to play again. The secret of the pool, you always practice, and you love to play pool. If you don't like to have a pool, you might not improve. But if you like pool, every time you know how to learn about pool. Every time you shoot, you're always thinking about a lot of different shots. To all billiard players in Japan, if you wanna be a good player like me, practice every day or only 2 hours a day. Not play long time or 24 hours. Just only two times a day, 2 hours a day, and concentrate.
Okay, thanks. And watching DVD.
And watch this DVD. You might learn more pool about Okumura.
All right, thanks very much.